12 is, which of the following is the major product formed when phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid at 293 Kelvin. 293 Kelvin. So now phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid. So now phenol it is treated with dilute nitric acid. Dilute nitric acid at how much? 293 Kelvin. How much? It is the 293 Kelvin temperature. It gives the, for example, compound A and it is compound B. So generally nitrophenols are obtained. One is orthonitrophenol, second one is paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol is obtained. Which is the major component? So this reaction is the nitration reaction. This reaction is a nitration reaction. So nitration reaction is phenol. So it is the phenol, C6H5OH phenol. It is treated with dilute HNO3. It is dilute HNO3. It means OH. It is NO2. Dilute HNO3. So then it gives two compounds. It gives the two compounds. So what is? It is OH and it is NO2. So it is the ortho position, orthonitrophenol. So second compound is the paranitrophenols. So it is OH, it is the NO2. It is the NO2. So now it is orthonitrophenol. It is the paranitrophenol. So then orthonitrophenol is the minor product, paranitrophenol is the major product. It is the major product. The reaction is known as nitration reaction. So phenol treated with dilute HNO3. So then NO2 is substituted at ortho position. So then this H and OH, it gives the minus H2O. It gives two compounds, orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol is the major component. Paranitrophenol is the minor. It is the minor compound. It is the major compound. Now bit number 13 is. Br2 dissolved in CH2 reacts with phenol at 273 Kelvin to give dash as a major product. So then phenol. So what is phenol? C6H5OH. It is treated with bromine. It is 2 moles of bromine. At 273 Kelvin temperature. 273 Kelvin temperature in the presence of carbon bisulfide. It gives two compounds A and B. In these two compounds, what is the major component? So actually this reaction is the halogenation reaction. So now it is halogenation reaction. So now phenol. So it is phenol C6H5OH. It is reacted with 2 moles of Br2 in the presence of CH2 and 273 Kelvin. It gives orthobromophenol. So it is the OH, it is Br. Second one is para-bromophenol. So it is OH and it is Br. So it is the orthobromophenol. It is para-bromophenol. So para-bromophenol is the major product. Orthobromophenol is the minor product. Actually, this reaction, phenol treated with bromine in the presence of water. It gives 2, 4, 6 tribromophenols. So generally, phenol. So it is the phenol C6H5OH. It is treated with 3 moles of Br2 in the presence of water. So the number of bromines is 6. It is the 6 bromines minus 3 hydrogens. So it is 1, it is 2 and it is 3. So the obtained compound is, it is OH, it is Br, it is Br and it is Br. So remaining 3 bromines combines with 3 hydrogens. So then it gives the 3 moles of HBr. So the obtained compound is, it is functional group. These 3 are the substituents. First carbon, second carbon, it is third carbon, it is fourth carbon, it is fifth carbon and it is sixth carbon. So 2, 4, 6 tribromo, 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol is obtained. But at the condition 273 Kelvin and calcium carbon bisulfide, bromine reacting with phenol, it gives the orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol. Orthobromophenol is the major component, orthobromophenol is the minor compound, para-bromophenol is the major component. So next, bit number 14, which intermediate is formed in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Which intermediate is formed in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Option 1 is aldehyde, carbocation, carbanion ion, substituted benzyl chloride. Actually, in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol, it is the phenol C6H5OH. It is treated with NaOH. In the presence of chloroform. Then it gives the substituted compound. It is ONA. It is CHCl2. So this compound is the intermediate compound. It is the substituted benzyl chloride. Actually, in this reaction, CHCl3 is taken. The obtained compound is salsilaldehyde. So what is salsilaldehyde? So now it is benzene, it is OH and it is CHO. So in this Riemann-Tiemann reaction, the reagent in the presence of CHCl3, the final product is salsilaldehyde. If in the place of CHCl3, if you take carbon tetrachloride, what is carbon tetrachloride? The obtained final product is salicylic acid. The final product is the salicylic acid. It is the salicylic salicylic acid. So salicylic acid also known as orthohydroxybenzoic acid. So COOH is the functional group, OH is the substituent. It is the orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So it is the orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So it is the orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. So it is the answer. So it means in Riemann-Neemann reaction, the obtained intermediate substituted compound is the benzyl chloride. It means phenol is treated with NaOH in the presence of CHCl3. It gives the substituted benzyl chloride. In this reaction, if the reagent is CHCl3, the final compound is salicylaldehyde. In the case of CHCl3, if we take CCl4, the final compound is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Now, bit number 15. So, generally, wherein meta-hydroxycholine, orthohydroxyphenol and para-hydroxyphenols are given. What are the X and Y, Z in the following compounds? X and Y, Z of the following compounds. So now number 1 is it is CH3. It is CH3 and it is OH. Orthohydroxycholine. Generally, if the phenol with CH3 group is known as cresose, it is the cresol. So it is the ortho position, it is the meta position. The name of the compound is the metacresol. So now second one is generally two hydroxy groups are present on the benzene ring. It is OH and it is also OH. It is 1,2 benzene diol. Benzene 1,2 diol. It is simply catechol. So it is the catechol. If this OH is present at this position, it is the resorcinol. So now it is the resorcinol. So it is OH and it is OH. It is the resorcinol. If this OH is present at this position and it is OH and it is OH, it is the quinol. So these three are the catechol, resinol and quinol. It means benzene with the 2 hydroxy groups. And it is number 3 is what is quinol. So number 3 it is the quinol. So it is X and resorcinol is the Y and it is the Z in the given compound.